Hello and welcome to El Segundo News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening here in the city of El Segundo. I'm Bill Thomas. The first annual Fired Up Girls Empowerment Camp recently took place at Fire Station 2. Here's El Segundo News reporter Tolly Anderson with more on this two-day event.
Thank you. That's right. I'm outside Station 2 in El Segundo. It's a fun-filled weekend for the girls in the surrounding communities because Chief Dina Lee has opened up the fire station doors for a weekend full of fun for these girls. Fired Up Empowerment Camp. Hey, and maybe one day they too will become a firefighter.
So this has been a dream of mine for a long time. I've attended other girls' camps at other fire departments, and it was so rewarding, and I couldn't wait to bring it here to El Segundo. When I became the fire chief on November 2nd, I said one of my priorities was going to be holding this girls' camp, and then here we are. We made it happen.
As a firefighter, there are likely lives on the line, and so you want to go fast, and I want to help people. Whatever I end up doing as a career, I want it to be something that can positively impact the community.
This has been a collaboration between fire department and community services, and thankful for the support of city leadership, but there's a lot of logistics that go into this, and luckily we have plenty of firefighters here today to help out. I had to recruit women firefighters from other fire departments because in El Segundo we only have 2, and the smaller departments there's not too many. So I have some of my colleagues, friends from Costa Mesa Fire Department, Beverly Hills, Hemet, San Bernardino County, and they're all here helping out.
This is so important to me, one, to mentor the young firefighters of tomorrow, whether it be male or female, but also just to show these young girls that they can have their dreams, their lives. They can be a wife, they can be a mom, they can be girly on their days off, they can do anything that they want to do, but they can also have this career, because I do believe that this is one of the most amazing careers, and it's a career of service, and just to be able to pass that on to them and just empower them and let them know that they can do anything that they put their heart and their mind to.
Nearly 30 girls around this region are enjoying this weekend and will walk away not only tired, but empowered and, most importantly, fired up. Back to you.
Thanks, Tolly. The city recently began a sidewalk and street repair project, including some tree removals at various locations throughout the city. The project began on March 21st and is scheduled to be completed by April 22nd. Working hours will be Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m., although schedules may change. Notices have been sent to adjacent property owners. No parking signs will be posted 72 hours in advance. For questions on this project, please call 310-524-2361 or visit elsegundo.org and look in News. This summer, the Association of Pickleball Professionals will host a pickleball tournament in El Segundo. Hundreds of athletes and spectators will be in town between June 23rd and June 26th to take part in or watch the event. For the complete 2022 tour schedule, please visit apptour.org. The outdoor dining areas established to assist businesses during the pandemic are required to be removed from travel lanes on Main Street by the end of March and by August 16th on Richmond Street. Improvements that do not meet building code safety requirements, including unpermitted physical structures, electrical, and heating, are to be removed immediately. There will be a community meeting on Thursday, April 7th at 6 p.m. in the City Council Chamber at 350 Main Street. A possible permanent outdoor dining program will be discussed. If you're interested in attending or would like to provide written feedback, please email bvoss@elsegundo.org. Now let's check in with Economic Development Coordinator Christina Ravelis for the latest business news. Here are all the details in the Business Outlook.
Get ready to perfect your swing. The new Topgolf opens in El Segundo in less than 1 month, but with a twist. SoCal's newest entertainment destination, slated to open its doors on April 15, will be the first and only location next to a real golf course. In addition to a reimagined 10-hole executive golf course, visitors of all ages can expect to enjoy an immersive full-sensory golfing experience with 102 bays with top tracer ball tracking technology over 3 floors, lively bars with massive screens, and a restaurant with an extensive menu. A great way to start or end your day. El Segundo's rising culinary scene is about to get a little hotter. Internationally renowned Brazilian steakhouse Fogo de Chao has expanded its SoCal market with its first South Bay location at 2121 Rosecrans Avenue in El Segundo, with an opening date of April 7. The El Segundo restaurant will feature a sleek, modern exterior and a warm interior design featuring an open-air churrasco bar where guests can indulge and watch chefs prepare and grill different cuts of meat over an open flame.
Thanks, Christina. The South Bay City's Council of Governments recently presented its 22nd annual General Assembly titled Back to the Future, Reimagining the South Bay. This year's forum featured entrepreneurs discussing important issues and how they're investing for the future. El Segundo companies Beyond Meat, Varda Space Industries, and Slingshot Aerospace were featured speakers. El Segundo News reporter Catherine Chen has more on this event.
The South Bay City's Council of Governments General Assembly brings the region's innovative thought leaders together to share ideas and projects and discuss important issues. The forward-looking speakers at this event come from exciting businesses specializing in aerospace manufacturing, robotics, and more.
One of the reasons why we have the Council of Governments is to bring together our cities so that they can share in learning, in networking, and in creating new ideas to make the South Bay even better.
In panels moderated by Mayor Boyles, speakers talked about their plans for the future and how their ideas will impact society and government.
And the whole goal here is to help government understand some of the big ideas that are coming that are going to have big systemic effects on society as a whole, everything from space and aerospace to transportation. We have an El Segundo-based company called Varda Space that's here today. They're basically building manufacturing facilities in space. Huge idea. And we have Beyond Meat, another El Segundo-based company. We've got Relativity Space out of Long Beach that 3D prints rockets. So we have incredible speakers, and again, it's how does government need to start thinking about what's coming ahead in the future?
Through this gathering of brilliant minds exchanging their big ideas, we've gotten a glimpse of what the future may look like. Reporting from the Juanita Millender McDonald Community Center in Carson, I'm Catherine Chen for El Segundo News.
Thank you, Catherine. To welcome spring, the El Segundo Rotary Club is proud to present the 55th annual Mayor's Good Friday Breakfast. That's on April 15th at 7 a.m. at the Zimmerman Automobile Driving Museum. The event brings together city leaders, school officials, corporate sponsors, and community members. Proceeds will benefit the organizations in town that the El Segundo Rotary Club supports. To purchase tickets or register as a sponsor, visit elsegundorotary.org. Another popular tradition hosted by El Segundo's PTA Council brings together children and adults of all ages to support El Segundo schools. The 30th annual Run for Education is back in person this year on Saturday, April 30th at 8 a.m. Run for Education features 5K and 10K courses that are certified by USA Track and Field. Enjoy a scenic run or walk through El Segundo's neighborhoods while helping students of the city's public schools. All participants will receive finisher medals, a custom race t-shirt, and a goodie bag. To register, volunteer, or become a sponsor, visit esrunforeducation.com. From running to water polo and soccer, here's El Segundo News reporter Egidio Del View with your sports wrap.
The Lady Eagles varsity soccer team had a historic run on the pitch in the 2021-2022 season. The Eagles won the CIF Divisional Championship, then went on to beating San Pasqual 3-0 and played in the CIF Regional Championship game against West Torrance. It was a rematch from the CIF Divisional game just days before, but this time the results would be different. West Torrance got off to a 2-0 lead in the first half, and despite a late goal by the captain Chelsea Charles, the Eagles would lose this one 2-1. A valiant effort by the girls and still a terrific season that brought home some hardware. The girls' water polo team also had a great year and was recognized by the El Segundo City Council for their efforts this season. The Lady Eagles went undefeated in the Pioneer League and made it all the way to the championship game, but ended up losing to the La Jolla Vikings 16-7. From the pitch to the pool and now the diamond. The varsity baseball team and varsity softball team both opened up league play against the North Torrance Saxons. The baseball team won big, defeating the Saxons 16-7, while the softball team lost to the Saxons 2-1. Both teams, though, are looking good as they have a lot more games left on the regular season schedule, and both are looking at a strong playoff run. I'm Egidio Del View, and this is your Sports Wrap.
Thanks, Egidio. Is this the Eggstravaganza? If you're looking for more springtime fun, the Community Services Department is hosting some family-friendly events this month. The annual Egg Hunt will take place at Recreation Park on Saturday, April 16th at 9:30 a.m. The bunny and friends will be available for pictures, and the egg hunts will be organized by age group. The Summer Camp Expo will also be at Recreation Park during the Egg Hunt, where residents can meet the city's friendly camp counselors and instructors and learn about the camps available this summer. El Segundo residents will be able to register for summer camps online and in person beginning on April 16th at 8 a.m. For more information, call 310-524-2700. A different type of egg hunt will be making a splash in the afternoon on April 16th. Join the Community Services Department at the annual Underwater Egg Hunt at the El Segundo Weisburn Unified School District Aquatic Center. Dive into some fun and catch those floating eggs while enjoying music, candy, and prizes. Egg hunt heats will run from 1:30 till 3:30 p.m. in the instructional pool. The cost is $5 for residents and $7 for non-residents, and space is limited, so register early at esrec.org or in person at the Aquatic Center. If you notice a concern in town, such as a pothole, an abandoned vehicle, or a fallen tree, remember that it's easy to alert city employees using the Report an Issue online system. You can report anonymously, or if you log in, you'll be able to track the progress of your report. Simply visit elsegundo.org and click on the Report an Issue icon on the home page. Your report will be sent to the appropriate city employees to resolve your request. That's it for this segment of El Segundo News. You can also watch more city-related videos on the El Segundo Media YouTube channel. I'm Bill Thomas. Thanks for tuning in.